This video guide is about getting rid of CranCheat browser hijacker. The developers of this CranCheat service claim that by installing the extension you'll get instant results with an easy-to-use information platform. It says that the service includes a powerful search tool with targeted results. But unfortunately, all these claims are surely overestimated by its developers. In reality, CranCheat works as a typical browser hijacker that hijacks your default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. Instead of Google search as your default search engine, you have to struggle surfing the web through this crancheat.com, which may also redirect your search results through Yahoo or Bing or some other search engine. It may be a decent search engine though, however, it's not your choice, but CranCheat tries to make the decisions instead of you. Therefore, we strongly advise that you do not install this extension, and if that was done by mistake, you need to be very careful to remove it from your Google Chrome settings. Watch carefully my explanation of how to do that manually, first of all. So now the extension was installed. You can see this special icon related to CranCheat extension, and you need to click here and select More Tools and Extensions. Once again, go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and choose Extensions. You may find this CranCheat extension, disable and remove it. There is no need to participate in this survey why you decided to uninstall it. Well, the internet is full of websites related to removing CranCheat fake search engine, and it actually perverts your search results by adding a lot of sponsored links, so it was the right decision to get rid of it. Now, I also recommend that you perform additional scanning of your Mac with the reliable security software named Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. You'll see this download button. That's what you need to use to download the software from. After you download the application, start it from the launchpad. Initially it will be the trial version, but even the trial one has got several free functions, for instance disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. That will begin the detailed analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Either you have the trial or the premium version. The program works as a free scanner. It reports threats at the end of scan and helps you understand where the threats are located. If you have a trial version, to find out the location of threats, check the antivirus part and click on Review Results. So this is where each threat in your Mac is located. You may go to the location of each threat separately through your Finder and remove one threat at a time manually. Or you may remove all threads automatically by clicking on Remove All Threads button, but the removal can be achieved only with the help of the premium version of the program.